Today I'm going to show you 3 helpful courses that users should view when getting started on the platform. You can find these courses by searching for them in the search bar up top. The first is How to Use LinkedIn Learning. This course should be utilized by all users, whether you're on the front end as a learner or on the back end as a managing admin. This covers the major functions within the platform. The second course is Gaining Skills with LinkedIn Learning. This helps you to identify and add skills to your profile to allow better content curation that's more relevant to your job. It will also show you how to find the right content, set learning goals, and create learning paths. Lastly, it will show you how to add certificates of completion to your LinkedIn profile after completing courses to convey to your connections that you're actively expanding your knowledge and skill set. The final course that I recommend is Getting Started as a LinkedIn Learning Admin. It will show you how to navigate the admin homepage, add and manage users, explore and recommend content, view analytics and reports to gain insights into how your employees are utilizing the platform, and how to manage and edit account settings.